Philippine Interior Department unveils a 10 million peso reward for anyone who can provide information for the arrest of fugitive televangelist Apollo Kibuloy. Interior Secretary Benher Abalos says they are also offering 1 million pesos for information leading to the arrest of Kibuloy's 5 co-accused. The bounty was offered by unnamed individuals. Abalos also appealed to Kibuloy to surrender and face the charges filed against him. Arrest warrants were issued against Kibuloy for alleged human trafficking as well as child abuse and exploitation.
Sa nangyayari ito, parang tinatapakan ang sistema ng pamahalaan. Parang niyuyurakan eh. Mag-serve ka ng warrant para ikaw pa masama. Hindi ba? Basta simple lang. Ang batas ay batas, ang may kasalanan, mananagot. At yan ang gagawin namin, Pastor Kibuloy.
Meanwhile, police say former President Rodrigo Duterte could face obstruction of justice complaints for failing to disclose Kibuloy's whereabouts. The former president earlier said he knew where Kibuloy was, but he was going to keep it a secret. Duterte was appointed the administrator of the properties of Kibuloy's Kingdom of Jesus Christ.